You do not have a focus problem. You have a dopamine problem. Your brain is hooked on tiny hits of pleasure. Scroll, swipe, notification, new video. It happens all day. And when it stops, real work feels painful. Silence feels unbearable. That is not laziness. That is addiction. The good news is you can reset it. Not with some impossible 30-day monk mode, but with a simple 14-day plan that actually works. I will walk you through 4 phases, 14 days, simple rules. Follow this, and by day 14, your brain will be quieter. Your focus will be sharper. And cheap dopamine will stop controlling you. Let us begin. Phase 1, days 1 to 3. Clean the battlefield. Day 1, you do not change anything. You just watch. Every time you grab your phone for no reason, write it down. Time, place, what you were supposed to be doing. You are mapping your addiction. Day 2, you make it harder to fall in. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Move every fun app off your home screen. Delete one app that gives you nothing back. You are removing the shortcuts. Day 3, you set 3 rules. 1, no phone in bed. It charges in another room. 2, one 30-minute scrolling window per day, same time every day. Outside that, no mindless feeds. 3, no short videos after 9 p.m. Write these down. Phase 1 is done. Now phase 2, days 4 to 7. Cut the poison. Your brain will fight back here. That is how you know it is working. Day 4, kill short-form content. No TikTok, no Reels, no Shorts. You can still search for information, but the endless scroll is gone for 4 days. Day 5, protect your first hour. When you wake up, you do 3 things. Get out of bed, drink water, move for 5 minutes. No screen, no notifications, no messages for 60 minutes. Teach your brain reality comes first. Day 6, sit in boredom. 10 minutes, no phone, no music, no screens. Walk or sit quietly. Your brain will panic. Let it panic. This is where focus is rebuilt. Day 7, replace one habit. Pick the moment you always lose. Toilet scrolling, YouTube while eating. Replace it with 10 pages of reading or a 10-minute walk. Just one swap. Now phase 3, days 8 to 10. Rebuild focus. Day 8, do 1 deep work block. 45 minutes. Phone in another room. 1 tab, 1 task. When you want to escape, stay. When the timer ends, stop. Day 9, pleasure comes after effort. You want to watch a show? Deep work first. You want to game? Work out first. You want to scroll? Finish your responsibilities. Rewire the link between work and reward. Day 10, double it. 2 deep work blocks, 30 minutes each. Show your brain you can focus on purpose. By now, you feel it. Less desperation, more control. Phase 4, days 11 to 14. Lock it in. Day 11, do a 24-hour social media fast. No TikTok, no Instagram, no feeds. Answer messages if you must, but no scrolling. Use that time to train, read, or see a friend in real life. Day 12, design your new normal. Draw a timeline from wake to sleep. Mark your no phone hour. Mark your deep work. Mark your boredom time. This is your new lifestyle. Day 13, choose 3 non-negotiables. You cannot keep every rule. Pick 3, maybe no phone in bed, no short-form content, and 1 daily deep work block. These are your standards forever. Day 14, commit. Ask yourself, how different do I feel? Which rule changed everything? And will you keep these 3 rules for the next 30 days? If yes, this is not a detox that ended. This is who you are now. You mapped your triggers. You removed cheap dopamine. You rebuilt focus. You chose your laws. Now be honest. Which rule will be hardest for you? No phone in bed, the first hour, or the deep work? Comment below. That is your weak point. Start there, because once you take control of your dopamine, you finally take control of your life.